So this would be claimed part 2 of It's Cooking Time. Hi, it's Jesse here. We never mentioned it would have a part video, and I'm kind of sorry that we didn't do part 2 yesterday. I was busy, distracted with iMovie. Today we're doing taco stand and diner style.
Funny.
I'm not funny.
Why are you apologizing?
Okay.
For his fans who were expecting their second installment yesterday.
Oh, I just love Asta. Great food, great music. We went to a restaurant that had the most amazing quesadilla. I love quesadillas.
Me
They
too.
seem pretty simple to make.
Yeah,
but
true.
So good. Yes, they are. And add a fresh tomato salsa and grilled guacamole into the mix, and yee-haw! It's a tex-mex fiesta.
So, yeah, actually the quesadillas work because it's got the most time
Butter
limits.
makes these taste so much better.
You're right.
Who, me or Susie Fulkelson?
You.
Oh, I guess you can slam.
What? We get rid of it?
Dad,
We're
your
good?
turn.
Yes,
Can I just put it
Dad,
in
your
the comic
turn.
room for now?
sure.
Or for reading purposes?
Wait,
I don't know.
It's ridiculous.
Oh, I know. I hate it.
oh wait, you do first tomato salsa.
And I say we get rid of it. And get you something that doesn't fall over.
Grating makes it easy to discard the tough tomato skins.
You're almost out of time for the quesadillas. Get to it when you're when it's ready. Yes, that's right. Keep grating.
Well, not bad.
Okay.
How'd you know?
What?
How'd you know your turn was coming up?
That's coming along nicely. And it provides a perfect texture for salsa.
Keep shaking.
You're working too hard.
Looks like it's really coming together. Adding salt here makes it easier to smear garlic.
Really? I didn't know that.
Let's see how this turns out.
Okay, Dad, your turn. Keep doing this.
What are you doing next?
Salsa.
Maury, are jalapenos the only pepper you should use? No, no. Once you've mastered this recipe, feel free to experiment.
Now you're cooking. Also, I didn't mention that this game is from 2009.
You'll do better next time. I love cilantro. I put tons of it in my salsa.
I must say I did a pretty good job on edging upstairs.
Hey, has the Wii remote and unchipped? You got only 2 minutes left for the salsa. Hey,
Left. So left?
yes.
Remember, you can always
And
add
please
we
get
have?
back. And please
We
give
should
me
have
the
two.
Wii remote
That's
and
not correct.
unchipped.
That's
So this goes to in the bedroom, I guess.
right. Just slow, buddy.
Everybody makes mistakes sometimes.
Wow, she's not nice.
Avocado should be
Yeah.
squishy, but not too squishy.
And the other guy's really
Wow.
Yeah, that's their ways. I know that we didn't know. Wait.
Timer.
It won't let me.
This could work.
Aww.
Flip it.
Again.
Oh, please don't try that at home. At home, I
My turn.
All my lives before cutting them. It's easier to juice them that way.
How'd you squeeze it?
With the A and B buttons.
That's funny.
I like the effort. A sharp knife will make you cry less when cutting onions.
I don't want to cry.
That would help to know.
I don't like it when I'm around onions. Do you, Dad?
Not raw onions, no. I like the way they taste.
I like the effort.
Dad?
Yeah.
Nothing.
I thought I ate coffee peppers earlier.
These are for the guacamole.
Oh.
This is passable.
See?
Passable?
Coriander. Isn't that the seed of the cilantro plant? Cilantro is the leaf of the coriander plant.
What happened? What happened at the end there?
it too hard.
Don't mash too
Hey, it's my turn.
Yes, I know. But maybe I can do this.
Well, maybe you
But
can
you'll
make a
still
video
get-
of yourself.
But still, you get your turn.
No, you took my last turn too.
Okay, so do the quesadillas. They're the last thing.
Fine.
Go to the quesadilla. Like fast forward and then go to the quesadilla.
It's like you're actually fast forwarding a Food Network episode.
2, 1.
Hope there'll be enough for seconds.
Alrighty?
Oh wait, no, you took it my turn. Now I think it's your turn. How do we do?
Add the butter to skillet.
Can we get another one?
Mm-hmm. I done this to you before.
But then this one won't be hot.
No, that doesn't count.
Speed up time.
Speed time up.
I like
Too
the
late.
At home, you can use different cheeses to suit your taste.
Just speed up time.
And you can always add other cooking ingredients like chicken to make these more hearty. You handled that perfectly.
Ellie, it's Ellie.
Mom, can you do this?
I can.
That's the way. Yay! Uh-oh.
That keeps happening.
Well, almost.
Dang.
Ah.
No, you did it too fast.
How many are you making?
3.
And they're so tiny and cute.
But how do they stay hot?
I know, right? Click.
Great timing.
Click it.
Smells great.
Ah, the smell of success.
And we're gonna play this one.
What, did you not see the Pop Tarts commercial?
Just do a little.
Well executed.
Dad, I need to go to the bathroom.
Good.
And if it wants me to do it, take over. Okay?
Okay. What did I do wrong there?
It's starting to look really good.
And But there are chips on the side. I love chips. Don't you, Dad?
Well, don't you love chips?
Quesadillas with guacamole and salsa. Do we have a fiesta on our hands?
I think we're not like it.
No, why wouldn't they like it? What's going to be wrong with it?
Some of them were hot.
Well, it tastes better than it looks. You burned a cooked or cooked.
What happened? Was it not warm?
No, it was warm.
really hot, but they like did a little. Because some of them were
Lunch is served.
Some
Next
of them
up,
were
yeah.
diner
Not
style.
burnt. There's a little bit, 2 seconds over the line.
We got diner style next, Dad.
But that's the end of the video, didn't you?
No. Mom said we could do 2, right?
That's gonna,
I don't
that's
think
gonna
I
be
don't
a
think
very.
one.
I don't think it'll be too long a video. I mean,
Don't we
uploading.
need to do video 3?
Yeah, we'll save that for part 3.
No. What do we miss in part 2 as well? Okay?
That's
And
right.
then,
But then I don't get to play.
hang on. Now
you're-
the third video, what's going to be included in that?
Yeah.
Sunday brunch.
Especially on a
So you're hoping to unlock something here.
It's already on.
Oh.
Oh yeah? That's right. Bacon. Put that and cheese on
The
So
next
this is it for this video.
Mm-hmm.
And then the third video is just the Sunday brunch.
And
Yep.
I get to play it. Yeah.
Wow.
27 minutes.
Yeah, that's a long one, dude.
Yeah,
No,
but it
that's
doesn't
just
take
how
that
long the recipe takes. That's just how long the recipe takes. We can speed up time.
Right.
I'll do it. I love this game.
I do too. Why don't you give a girls the chance?
Yeah, you can put Charles right now.
Oh my
I
You
thought you
can't.
were playing
You can't do that. They had to use the carrier before.
Room temperature, it won't tear the bread.
We can take
Why
them
can't I
in
play
parts.
it?
You're gonna do my part, Charlotte.
Okay.
Come sit next to me. Poor mom.
I think I kind of likes that.
She doesn't.
Then why don't you always do it? Because you don't?
Because I can't.
Oh.
Wow.
It's my back.
You're shaking the couch, Jesse.
What are you making here? Yeah.
We're making cheese.
It's okay.
We're doing. Okay, so what do you do next? Oh, you have to do baked bacon next, Charlotte.
Go 375. Good.
Oh, what?
Now do some of the sandwich in the middle.
Nope, they have to complete bacon.
But it only takes 24 minutes. We gotta get it started.
Well, they want us to complete baked bacon because the sandwiches have the baked bacon in them.
Oh, we're baking the bacon. We're not frying the bacon?
We're not frying it.
No, I kind of want to do some cutting.
You will. We have tomatoes to cut and everything later on. Oh, they're baked bacon cheddar sandwiches.
Yeah.
I see.
So it's a deep fried, Dad.
Yeah, but I think we should have put this. We should have. We're doing this in the wrong order. Jesse, you're making a terrible mistake. Why? Did you
Jesse, stop!
stop! You gotta start the sandwich.
But it says you must complete bacon.
It's gonna take 24 minutes to make the sandwich. It won't be hot.
Hold on.
No, Jesse, do the sandwich!
But does he have to put the bacon into the sandwich?
Don't store
Yes.
tomatoes in the fridge. It
That's why
makes
he's gotta
the
do the
gravy
bacon.
and Kills the flavor.
But okay, and where it won't be hot.
My turn.
Keep doing the tomato
I guess you
salad.
can keep working on the.
Just keep doing that tomato salad, okay?
There's a cutting board,
Really?
Charlotte.
This salad could be made
I think you should keep moving forward on the sandwich.
any
Or do you
right
need the
tomato.
bacon?
It would be
We need the
awesome with
bacon.
heirloom tomatoes.
That's the next step.
Looks like it's really
Nice, it's done.
That was really easy.
Keep doing the salad.
Oh, Charlotte's playing. Very good.
Well, the bacon is in the oven, so we got that going for us.
So the other thing we have to look for, Ellie, is this thing's sister.
What
I feel like I've seen it, sister.
What do you mean? I
The
don't
speaker
You don't want
stands.
to look. No. This.
Oh, you think this thing exists?
a whole lot of flavor. It's perfect for a salad like this.
Too much.
We
So
need,
what do you call it?
we need a smaller version of this. Like I have 2 pieces here.
Fresh herbs add great flavor, and basil
Wait.
is a classic.
Do you remember our conversation or no?
Yeah, I thought we were gonna have like more of an open cabinet to put things into. No, that wouldn't work.
We want things to look a little less hodgepodgey.
Right, that's right. But we wanted to basically just hold.
And once we move that,
Right.
this is getting moved over, and we want to be able to cover here. So we've got a sister thing.
Right, it has to be big.
Yeah.
Serve it immediately.
Okay, so
Maybe a
now
chair
you have to
goes in
speed up
between,
time
I
for
don't
the
know.
bacon, Charlotte. No, the bacon
Where are we
has
gonna
to
put
be
that thing?
complete.
I don't know.
Speed up time.
You should have played this game before.
I mean, it could go over here. This stuff is all
Starting to look
removed.
really good.
What, I'm sorry, we'll go where?
I don't know. Let's wait. I don't feel like figuring it out now.
No, I like talking about these things. What are you gonna say?
Wait, I'll do the nunchuck.
Can we go over here maybe?
But
That wall is looking kind of
I
bare.
don't know if it has a place for us anymore.
This thing?
Yeah, it doesn't match anything.
It doesn't match anything. Maybe we can go to the basement and we'll just use it for something else. We'll put the DVDs into that new piece. Or, you know, the CD cabinet, we can just use that for DVDs and just have 2 matching ones. And they won't be like stuffed to the gills that are overflowing like they were before, you know?
Going too late, whoever's doing it.
Yes, yes.
Too soon. Too soon. Too soon.
Oh wow,
great,
this
great,
game
great.
really mixes it up.
Good job.
The family dog.
keep doing the sandwiches.
No.
Paige and the family dog.
That's not nice. Oh, I see.
You want to speed up time?
So
What do you do for the last 10 minutes?
Different kind of cheeses here too.
They're both done.
Oh, certainly. That's
It's
the
baking.
best part of cooking. It's looking delicious. You don't want your hard work going to waste, so be careful when cooking.
Ah, you flip them. I see. That's what you do for the last 10 minutes. So the tomatoes are in the sandwich,
Mm-hmm.
No, the bacon
I
is in
knew
the
it.
sandwich.
and the tomato salad's on the side.
Yeah. Do I have one, Jesse?
Andiamo.
You want help?
Cheddar gets sharper with age, so if you want something mild, buy a younger cheese. I'm looking forward to this meal.
Jesse!
Hope there'll be enough for seconds.
He always says
They just leave it a tedious bite.
that. Yeah, I know, right? I can't even hold
Not
it.
done in 20 minutes. Huh, how's that for a little dish? Mmm.
You won't even try it.
What goes into tomato salad?
There's
Various flavorings, spices.
It doesn't tell you which ones.
Sandwiches with tomato
I
salad.
forgot already.
This is one of my favorites. Please don't let me down.
I bet we didn't.
Man! What's missing?
Maybe when you guys made the sandwiches, it wasn't.
It's missing something. You can do better than this.
You know what? These guys are jerks.
Yeah, I think he's a jerk.
Cooked bronze medal.
Well, at least we unlocked Sunday brunch, but we won't do that until part 3. So, bye-bye, I guess.